All right, example 2. So we are going to still continue solving inequalities. However, now it's a multi-step inequality. So the first thing we're going to do, we need to distribute before we can start to solve. The reason we have to distribute first is because it has to be simplified before we can solve for x. So we're going to distribute through the parentheses. So we have negative 7 times x, which is negative 7x. Negative 7 times positive 3 is negative 21, is less than or equal to 28. Now we can solve. So I'm going to draw my line down my inequality. I have subtraction, so that means I need to do addition. So I'm going to add 21 to both sides. Negative 21 plus 21 cancels, and I just bring down that negative 7x, and I bring down my less than or equal to sign. I now am multiplying by negative 7, so I'm going to do the opposite, and I'm going to divide by negative 7. I just divided by a negative 7 to both sides of that line, so that means that I need to flip my inequality in my answer. So it was just a less than or equal to sign, but now it's a greater than or equal to sign. Negative 7 divided by negative 7, those cancel, and I have x that's left over. And then 49 divided by negative 7 is negative 7. So here is my answer. X is greater than or equal to negative 7. So we know that the line or the dot needs to be filled in, and it's kind of hard to tell on here, but this is an open circle, and this is also an open circle, if that kind of helps. So we want a closed circle, so right away we know that B and A are not it. And then we know that it's greater than or equal to 7, or negative 7, so that means I need to go to the right. So D is my answer. All right, so let's solve another one. So I'm going to distribute through the parentheses. 2 times k is 2k. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10, is less than 6. Now I'm going to draw that line down that inequality. I'm subtracting 10, so the opposite is to add 10 to both sides. Negative 10 plus 10 cancels out, and that leaves me with 2k on the left-hand side. 6 plus 10 is 16. I now am going to divide, since I'm multiplying by 2, I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides. 2 divided by 2 cancels, and I have k is less than 8. So I didn't have to flip my inequality on this one because I did not divide by a negative on both sides. So my number is 8. My circle is going to be an open circle, and my arrow, it's less than, so I'm going to the left. So I'm going to, let's start with 5. I'm going to put an open circle at 8, and I am going to the left, so it's every number that's less than 8 will give me a true statement for k. So k, if I plug in any number that's going to be less than 8 and not equal to 8, then this side of the equation that's on the left will end up solving out to be less than 6. So I want you to do the try-its on your own, and then you're going to check your answers with mine.